I remember when I was a kid, we cousins would get it together and we would play this very popular game in India, which is Ludo. Today I thought of creating this game in Scratch, and I'll show you how to create the dice for this game using the random number block of Scratch. So as you can see, we have the dice sprite here. For this dice sprite, we have different costumes. We have costumes where the dice is numbered as 1 to 6 different numbers we have. So the most important thing here is how we have named the costumes. Where we have 1 dot, we have named the costume as 1, and where we have 6 dots, we have named the costume as 6. So similarly, we have named all the costumes here from 1 to 6. So let's dive into the code. What this pick random number block does? Actually, this pick random number block takes two numbers. So it's a range. Whenever you click this, you can see what the output of this block is. This block generates a number between the numbers you give here. Right now, see, pick random 1 to 6 we have given. Whenever I click the block, it generates a number. And you can see every time it generates a new number here. But it will be between 1 and 6, including both 1 and 6. Now, to create the dice, when this dice is clicked, we are starting a sound, which is the dice sound, the sound that I have already added over here. Now, in repeat block, I am putting this block point in direction. We want to move this dice as if it is rolling. So, we'll take the point in direction block and we'll put the pick random block inside this. It says it should point in any direction between 0 to 360. So any one number will be generated and it will point in that direction, and this will happen for 10 times. See, let me click this and show it to you. Right now you can see every time 6 is coming. Now to change this number, we'll again use the switch costume block. What the switch costume block does is, it changes the costume to the number that you have given here. Actually, this number is the name of the costume. And you remember, we have given numbers as the name. So if I say here 6, you can see the costume is 6 here. If I change it to 4, you can see the costume changes to 4. This is what we want. We want to change the number every time. So we'll put this pick random block here, and now we'll change the numbers. Like we'll generate a number from 1 to 6. So let me just show you. Right now it generates 2. Now it generates 6. So we'll just put this block here. Now when the sprite is clicked, it will first move 10 times in any direction, and then it will change the costume to the number that is generated in the pick random block. Let's just run this and see. You can see 4 is coming right now. Now 6. So every time you click this, a new number is generated and it changes the costume according to that number, and you can see a new number on the dice. So now it's your turn. Use the pick random block in your projects and share it on our community page.